or powered by Intel hardware. We're going to take a quick look at the device. Here it is. We also had a previous clip with an unboxing, and this one is a video review of the Asus 1015B, like I said. Here's the device. We have here the black version. It's also going to be available in white and in red, I believe. I won't particularly choose the black one, although it looks quite nice, because on it smudges will be quite visible. Not sure if you can see, but there are a couple of smudges here. Still, the hood is covered in some very nice made plastic. Actually feels quite comfortable. It allows good grip. But like I said, it will catch smudges. However, it should be okay with fingerprints and scratches and stuff like this. Definitely better than a glossy exterior, of course. The bottom is covered in some plastic texture finish. Looks quite okay. We might catch dirt in time, but it's actually quite solid. Feels very well built. You get here access to memory bay. This one can get actually up to 4 GB of memory inside. And you get here a couple of cooling vents right here and on the front. And of course the battery. Let's go ahead and pop the battery out. Quite easy to do this. And there's actually a 52 milliamp 56 watt-hour battery in here. So it's the same battery as the one you get on the 1215B and the 1215N. We should expect quite nice battery life from it. Oh, and one more thing. You can see that there's also in here a dummy SIM slot, so we can expect this one to ship with an integrated 3G modem as well. Let's also take a quick look on the sides. Let's see what you get. You have here the card reader, headphone, microphone, standard USB, USB 3.0 here, Kensington lock and LAN adapter. I believe there's gigabit LAN on this one. Battery on the back. On this other side there's the PSU, VGA, another USB, standard USB, and an HDMI output. And here you have a cooling vent. And on the front, there's actually nothing except for the status LEDs right here on the right part. And in terms of shape, this one looks quite nice. It's actually the standard design Asus uses on EEE PCs right now. The same as on the 1015PX and the 1015PE, PM, PN, all those look the same. Looks quite okay, and the front part is a little bit narrower than the bottom part, and the battery pops up a little bit from the chassis, which is actually quite cool because it will allow you to easily hold it like this. Not sure if you can see it. Allows very good grip when actually traveling and transporting this one with you. Now opening the lid, you're going to notice a couple of things. First, this palm rest area is made from the same matte plastic as the hood and is colored in the same color as the hood. This time it comes in black, of course. If you go for the white version, this particular part here will be white. So that will be quite nice. Area around the screen is made from glossy plastic, and also the area around the keyboard is made from glossy plastic as well, and that means it will catch smudges and fingerprints, and especially dust is quite visible on this black finish. It's good, however, it's nice that you have a matte display. It's a standard 10.1 inch matte display with 1024 by 600 pixel resolution. So it's not an HD display, it's the standard display you get on netbooks these days. Still, it's made so it can be, you will be able to use it outside. And on top of the screen, of course, you can see here, you get the camera with the camera cover right here. Trackpad right here in the middle of the palm rest, properly spaced and actually quite precise for multi gestures, separated from palm rest by these two bars and with a single click button, which is actually quite nice, quite easy to press. As for the keyboard, this is the standard keyboard Asus uses on their EEE PCs in this class, in the 10-inch class. 93% of full-size keyboard, so a little bit, some of you might find it a little bit cramped, however I find it quite okay. There's little flexing here, little noise, and I particularly like that you get the keys you're going to use a lot, they're a little bit bigger, so oversized. For instance, enter here, and caps lock, and shift, and control, and FN on the other side. Of course, space is a little bit noisy, but besides this keyboard is actually a very good one. And on top of the keyboard, you get here a mouse for button for